Have you ever considered making money online without a traditional job? In today's digital age, the concept of a traditional job is rapidly evolving. This video will take you through 10 creative ways to generate income online, outside the confines of a standard 9-to-5. From freelancing to podcasting, these methods could open up a world of financial opportunities for you. Each one is unique, offering a different path to potential prosperity. So, without further ado, let's explore these 10 creative ways to make money online. First on the list, freelancing. The beauty of freelancing is its simplicity. You're selling your skills, whether that's graphic design, writing, coding, or something else entirely, to businesses or individuals who need them. And in this digital age, the marketplace for freelancers is vast and varied. From designing logos on Fiverr to coding websites on Upwork, there's a platform for every skill. Freelancing also offers a myriad of job types. You could be a consultant, a virtual assistant, a transcriptionist, or even a voiceover artist. The possibilities are as diverse as the skills you possess. The key is to find a niche that suits your expertise and passion. One of the greatest advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere at any time, allowing you to balance work with your personal life. It's a chance to be your own boss, set your own hours, and negotiate your own rates. Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn money while honing your skills. Next up, online tutoring. Picture this: sharing your expertise or passion from the comfort of your couch while helping someone else learn. That's online tutoring in a nutshell. It's a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge in a specific subject area. This could be anything from mathematics to guitar playing, from coding to cooking. The demand is vast and varied. So, where do you start? There are numerous platforms where you can register as a tutor. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant, just to name a few. These platforms connect you with students from all around the globe, allowing you to teach at your own pace and price. What's more, the beauty of online tutoring is that it's not just about the money. You're also contributing to someone's personal growth and learning. So, it's a win-win situation. Online tutoring not only earns you money, but also helps others learn. Third on the list, affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Imagine being a middleman, connecting a buyer and a seller, and every time a sale is made, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Here's how it works. You choose a product or service you love, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. There are many popular platforms for affiliate marketing, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction, to name a few. These platforms simplify the process and make it easier for affiliates to find products they can endorse. Now here's the best part. Affiliate marketing can be a passive income source if done right. Once you've set up your platform and have an audience, you could be earning even while you sleep. Affiliate marketing can be a passive income source if done right. Fourth, selling products online. Let's dive into the exciting world of e-commerce. Imagine turning your garage full of handmade crafts or your closet of vintage clothes into a thriving online store. The process is relatively straightforward. You source or create a product, list it on an online marketplace, and then ship it to your customer once it's sold. Now, what can you sell online? Well, the sky's the limit. From handmade jewelry to vintage clothing, ebooks to digital art, there's a market for almost everything. Choosing the right platform is crucial. Big names like Amazon and eBay are great for wide-ranging products, while Etsy is perfect for handmade or vintage items. For digital products, you might consider platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. It's all about finding where your potential customers are shopping. Remember, selling products online isn't just about making money, it's about sharing your passion with the world. Selling products online can turn your hobby into a profitable business. Fifth, blogging. Now let's venture into the realm of the written word. Blogging is essentially sharing your thoughts, ideas, or expertise on a specific topic via an online platform. It's like having your own digital magazine where you're the editor-in-chief. But how do you turn this into a money-making venture? There are a few ways to monetize a blog. You can sell ad space, use affiliate marketing, or even create and sell your own products or services. The key is to create valuable content that attracts a loyal readership. Now, where do you set up shop? There are numerous platforms to choose from. WordPress, Blogger, and Medium are some of the most popular ones. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your blogging goals. Blogging is a wonderful way to earn money online because it allows you to do something you love while sharing your passion with the world. Blogging allows you to earn money while sharing your passion. Sixth, stock photography. Stock photography is a fascinating way to turn your passion for clicking pictures into a profitable business. In essence, it's about capturing and selling high-quality, professional photographs to stock photography websites. These images are then licensed for specific uses, allowing businesses, bloggers, and marketers to access a vast library of pictures without having to hire a photographer. Now, how does one sell photos? Well, once you've captured some compelling images, you can submit them to stock photo platforms. These platforms host your photos, and when someone purchases your image, you get a commission. It's as simple as that. There's a multitude of platforms to choose from, including Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock, to name a few. Each platform has its own pricing structure and submission guidelines, so it's worth researching to find the best fit for your work. Stock photography can turn your photography hobby into a source of income. Seventh, social media management. In this digital age, virtually every business recognizes the immense value of a strong social media presence. However, not every business has the time or expertise to handle it themselves. That's where social media management comes in. As a social media manager, you'd be responsible for managing a company's social media profiles. This could involve creating content, scheduling posts, responding to comments, and analyzing engagement data. The demand for this service is high and continues to grow as more businesses move online. So, where do you find clients? Well, there are many avenues to explore. You could reach out to businesses directly, network at industry events, or use freelancing platforms. You could even start by managing the social media accounts of a local business. Remember, your skills are valuable, and businesses are willing to pay for them. Social media management can be a lucrative field if you're social media savvy. Eighth, becoming a virtual assistant. Now let's delve into the world of virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, often abbreviated as VA, is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This role is perfect for those who are organized, detail-oriented, and proficient in using various digital tools. So what skills are needed to be a successful VA? Well, it can vary based on the client's needs, but generally, skills like time management, communication, and proficiency in tools like Microsoft Office, Google Suite, and project management software are highly valued. Where can you find virtual assistant jobs, you ask? The good news is, there are numerous platforms where you can start. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Zirtual are great places to begin your virtual assistant journey. Remember, building a strong portfolio and gaining positive reviews can help you land more jobs in the future. Being a virtual assistant can provide a stable income while working from home. So, are you ready to take on the virtual world? Ninth, starting a YouTube channel. Now, this is a creative way to make money online that many of us are familiar with. However, the process of starting a YouTube channel and monetizing it is something that might be new to a lot of people. First, you need to come up with a unique idea or niche for your channel. This could be anything from cooking tutorials to video game walkthroughs. Once you've got your idea, it's all about creating engaging content that people want to watch. Next comes the monetization. There are a few ways to make money on YouTube. You can make money from ad revenue, sponsorships, and even crowdfunding from your viewers. But remember, it's important to stay consistent and dedicated, as it might take some time to build a substantial following. The beauty of YouTube is that it allows you to express your creativity while also making a profit. A YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable way to make money. And lastly, podcasting. A creative medium that's experienced a surge in popularity in recent years, podcasting allows you to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise, all while making money. Starting a podcast is easier than you might think. All you need is a good microphone, a quiet space, and a valuable message to share. You can choose any topic that resonates with you, from lifestyle tips and self-improvement to industry insights and enlightening interviews. Monetizing your podcast can be achieved in several ways. You can sell advertising space, ask for listener donations, or even offer premium content for a fee. Some podcasters also partner with brands for sponsorship deals. However, the key to a successful podcast lies in providing valuable, engaging content that keeps your listeners coming back for more. Consistency is crucial, and so is a genuine connection with your audience. Podcasting can be a great platform to share your thoughts and earn money, so why not give it a try? And there you have it, 10 creative ways to make money online without a traditional job. We've journeyed through the realms of freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, and selling products online. We dove into the worlds of blogging, stock photography, social media management, and virtual assistants. We even peered into the exciting spheres of running a YouTube channel and podcasting. Remember, the internet is full of opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Until next time, keep exploring.